Hi guys, it's Cat Beauty, and guess where I'm going? I'm going to Disneyland, and I'm so excited. I can't wait because this is my second time going. Also, the Star Wars theme park area opened up, and I'm so excited because it opened up to the public, and I'm super happy because I'm a Star Wars fan. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this pack with me. I was gonna say unpack with me, pack with me video, and let's get started. I'm also gonna be doing a Disneyland vlog, so look forward to that in the next week or the following week. So let's get into the video. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you guys my Disneyland outfit. It's super cute. I absolutely love it. So I have my Adidas shoes. I have some light wash jeans, my Disneyland backpack. The shirt is super long on me, so I went ahead and tied it in the back. And this is how it looks like, the shirt. It's kind of see-through a little bit, but not that see-through. Super cute. And obviously I'm going to curl my hair, so I'll show you guys like a get ready with me to Disneyland on the vlog. And then my mini ears, super cute, and I'm super excited. I just had to try on the outfit, make sure this is the outfit that I'm going for. If I wanted to wear dark jeans or different shoes, I just had to see. But I think this is pretty cute. I really like this outfit. Like, not bad. I think it looks better with the light wash jeans than if I were to wear dark. So I'm super excited vlogging Disneyland. So I hope you guys are interested, because that will be the next video coming up after I come back from Disneyland, of course, and edit the videos and stuff like that. And hopefully I can get it uploaded next week, if not the following week. And I can't wait for that. I'm super excited, and I hope you guys are loving this content, because I am really loving the content I'm producing for you guys. And let's get into the pack with me portion. First, I'm gonna go head out to Dunkin', grab a coffee. I need to like jam out while I'm packing and drink some coffee because I'm so tired. Also, I'm gonna have breakfast as well because I haven't eaten anything yet. I was just not hungry yet, but now I'm starting to get hungry. It's barely 11:30, so yeah. I woke up late today. I was like too tired. I'm still tired, so I need a coffee. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that right now. Also, real quick, I'm sorry, I always keep talking in these videos, but comment down below if you guys like long videos, or let me know if you guys want shorter videos, because I understand my videos are pretty long, but I used to make really short videos and they used to be like 5 minutes long, and I just feel like nowadays YouTubers are creating longer videos and people like to watch them kind of like series. So yeah, let me know if you guys like long videos. Now I'll shorten them, but yeah, let me know. Okay, let's get to it. I'm super sad because it's super cloudy outside, and the last time I filmed it was a cloudy day as well. So I'm super sad about that. So I'm sorry if the footage is very dark, because this always happens to me when I film. It's always cloudy. I'm about to make breakfast right now, and I just got my coffee from Dunkin' Donuts. I love Dunkin' Donuts because you get a free drink so much faster than Starbucks. Their coffee tastes amazing, and if you get a drink and a donut, it's like $5 in total compared to one drink at Starbucks. So yeah, I absolutely love Dunkin' Donuts so much, and they always have coupons for you and deals. So I'm drinking that right now, and I'm gonna make breakfast, and then after I have breakfast, I'm gonna start the pack with me video. All right, so let's get packing. I just put my hair in a braid right now because I want my hair out of my face. And I'm gonna go to my skincare bag. This is supposed to be a makeup bag, but I have so much like toiletries that I need to carry, so I'm using this bag, and then I'm using another bag for my makeup. So I pretty much have everything organized in here, everything I had in my last video. How many makeup wipes do I have here? Hopefully enough. I'm gonna bring my makeup wipes. Only difference is I'm not gonna bring my Olay because it's literally about to be finished. And I actually really want to try my new Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream. It's a very nice packaging too. I really like it. It's super cute. What I'm gonna do is my makeup. I'm gonna show you what makeup I'm bringing. If you want a more in-depth video of what I have in this bag, you can watch my last pack with me video. But my last pack with me video, I didn't show you what makeup I brought, so I'm gonna show you what makeup I'm bringing. So it's just a Mary Kay travel pouch. It doesn't carry all my makeup, but it'll carry most, and I'll just find another makeup bag to carry it with. So I'm gonna bring for sure my Huda Beauty foundation, my two No. 7 mascaras, my all-time favorite, my Tarte concealer. I'm for sure gonna need my Too Faced Hangover setting spray, my Hoola Benefit bronzer. I probably won't bring my Jeffree Star highlighter because I think I'm gonna bring my James Charles Morphe palette, and it has like a highlighter in here that I'm gonna use, and I'm gonna use the colors in here. So I think I'm gonna bring this palette. This is my Milani blush. I don't know if I should bring it or not. It's not very pigmented because I got the wrong blush. Unless I can borrow my friend's blush. I don't know if I should bring it. I'll bring it probably just in case. I'm going to bring some lashes. I'm going to bring the Look So Natural Kiss lashes. I like the Ardell lashes, but I don't have them right now, so I'm going to use that. I don't think I'm going to bring my e.l.f. primer because I'm going to use this as my primer because this is a all-in-one primer and setting spray. Oh, I'm also going to bring my eye cream into my skincare bag. It's very important because I have dark under eyes and I want to prevent those wrinkles. I'm also going to bring my Airspun loose face powder. Always need a set. And then I'm going to bring my beauty blender, of course. I don't think I'm going to use any eyeliner when I go, so I'm not going to bring any eyeliner. I am going to bring my pencil eyeliner though for my waterline. My brow pencil, but I have a new one that I'm going to use. Okay, I'm going to bring my Milani face powder. I'm going to bring my Fenty lip gloss. My Bare Minerals Boss liquid lipstick. Probably my Stila eye topper. I'm not sure whether I should bring a Jeffree Star liquid lipstick. I think I'm going to bring Allegedly or my Kat Von D. I don't know. They're both really pretty colors. Well, I'm gonna bring the Kat Von D then. Just because I like how it applies. So, actually, I love this lipstick too. This is the Urban Decay Carnal. Oh my gosh, this is exactly the same shade as well. Except this one has like a darker tone on it. I'm just gonna bring this one as well. I'm gonna bring my baby lips. And I think that's pretty much it besides my brushes I'm gonna bring. And I think that's all the makeup I'm gonna bring. I have a pretty simple makeup routine. I'm just bringing a little extra makeup, and I'm also gonna bring my eyelash glue and my, I don't know what you call this, but to put on the eyelashes. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna wear eyelashes to Disneyland, but I'm not positive, but we'll see. Oh, and my eyelash curler, definitely need that. Okay, so I'm waiting on my laundry to be done because all the clothes I'm wearing to Disneyland is in the laundry. So I'm waiting for that. But I'm gonna show you these cute. Well, let me wipe off the lipstick real quick. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys my Disneyland outfit. So the first thing I have is these silver Minnie Mouse ears from the Disney parks. I got this on Mercari for $10 that someone was selling. And then my friend Lexi, I have her rose gold baby pink ears. They're too cute. I should have gotten this, but I didn't. But super cute. She got this on Amazon for $14. Super cute. I'm super jealous I didn't get them. But I also have the Disney Lounge baby pink castle backpack. Super cute for the park. And then I have my Minnie Mouse t-shirt that I got from Etsy for $13. As well as my Adidas rose gold cloud foam shoes that I'll be wearing. And then to be glowing at the park for my pictures, I'm going to be bringing the Anastasia body oil. So it's starting to get dark. I'm still packing. I'm kind of like on and off packing. Got my pants, I got 2 shirts, my pajamas, my undergarments, my skincare bag, my makeup's down here, my hairbrush, and my leave-in conditioner, some of my makeup, and then I just need to pack my curling iron and probably like one more outfit, and I think I should be done with some of it. Then I need to get my camera stuff and any other little thing I need, but I'm kind of tired, so I'm kind of being slow at packing right now. Okay guys, I'm going to end today's video because I am pooped out from packing. I still have a couple things to go, but I'm just so tired today, and I still have to edit this video and finish packing and shower and paint my toenails and everything. And so I have a lot of things to do, and I'm just really tired, so I'm going to end the video right here. I hope you guys enjoy. I know it's a little bit short, and I didn't really like do much pack with me, but I did do a pack with me in my last video, which was more in depth, and today was just kind of like a little sneak peek of a pack with me. So I hope you guys enjoy. Please give a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and comment down below what video you guys want to see. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.